Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate your Nomad eSIM on an Android device. Whether you are traveling or just looking for a convenient way to stay connected, we have got you covered. Let's get started. To activate Nomad eSIM on Android, if your device is carrier unlocked and eSIM supported, buy eSIM from Nomad, go to Nomad app and install the eSIM. Alternatively, check your mail for QR code, scan the code and install the eSIM. Finally, go to phone settings, turn on the eSIM and data roaming. Step 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Make sure your device is eSIM supported. Go to Nomad eSIM compatible check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then go to Phone tab. Drag the slider up and down. Ensure your device is listed. If not, you cannot install the eSIM. Step 2. Check carrier unlock status. In iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to About. Scroll down and look for carrier lock. If it says SIM locked, your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier. In Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to SIMs. Choose the SIM card you want to configure for dual SIM phones. Turn on the automatically selected network option. If it is unlocked, you have to contact current provider to unlock it. Step 3. Go to Nomad website. Go to Nomad website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then select your country to pick a plan. Step 4. Select your plan. Select your plan. Click Buy Now button at the bottom right of the screen. Sign into your account to create a new account if asked. Step 5. Buy eSIM. Click Proceed to Checkout button. Follow on-screen instructions to buy the eSIM. Once completed, the QR code and the activation will be sent to your registered mail ID. Save the QR code in your gallery or get an image of code using another phone. Alternatively, you can get the QR code in Nomad app. Open the app and go to Manage. Launch the app and navigate to the Manage section where your eSIM settings are located. Click the Activate button. If manual activation is required, you will see an Activate button. Tap it to start the activation process and follow any prompts that appear. Step 6. Install and activate eSIM. Method 1. Install eSIM automatically for all Android and iOS devices. Download Nomad app from Play Store. Go to the Manage eSIM page. Select the eSIM you want to install. Now select Installation Instructions. Choose Add Automatically. Select Install eSIM now. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the eSIM. Method 2. Manual eSIM installation. For Samsung devices, go to Settings. Tap on Connections in your device settings. Select SIM Card Manager. Tap on Add Mobile Plan. Choose Scan Carrier QR code and scan the QR code provided in your email. After successful installation, you will be prompted to select which line to use for data. Choose the Nomad line for mobile data. Ensure that Use SIM is to toggled on and both mobile data and roaming are enabled. Method 2. Manual eSIM installation. Other Android devices, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, click the plus sign next to Mobile Network or SIMs to add your new eSIM. On the Connect to Mobile Network page, click Download eSIM instead. Click Next. Select Use a different network. Scan the QR code received through the mail. After successful installation, you will be prompted to choose which line to use for data. Select the Nomad line for mobile data. Click into the Nomad eSIM and ensure that Use SIM is toggled on, along with both mobile data and roaming enabled. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.